So I am mending these garden truck wheels. I have one out there which is my garden truck, and I bought 2 wheels off of Bezos's multi-commerce empire today, and then I found that this was so flat, and then I've used these amazing super patch parktool things, and they just stick on straight away, no, they're just self-adhesive. So yeah, I'll get that inflated, put that back in there, switch back between these 2 things, which are kind of like that, and hopefully that's the wheel that I want to buy, and a wheel which might not get here on time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Side that needs replacing, tyre I've just fixed, tyre that's still good.